At a young lady's request, I'm giving you this potion. It severs the bond.
That young lady paid a terrible price for this. She's deeply in love with you, even give up her life. I hope you won't betray her devotion. Remember, 3 days from now, drink the second vial.
I prepared a huge surprise for you. You're going to love it.
Sophia, you don't have to put yourself through pain for me. Thank you for everything you've done for me. Enduring such pain.
What price? Whatever. He thinks it was me, so it's mine now.
I wasn't going to let you find out. As long as you're okay, everything I do is worth it. For you, enduring some pain is nothing. I only wish for your happiness.
Once I completely take care of this, we'll have a wedding that the whole world will see. Whatever kind you want, I'll give it to you.
Don't say that. I might actually believe it.
I won't let anyone shake my decision again.
Lucas, your favoritism hurts more than the deadliest poison in the world.
After the bond is truly gone, between you and me, we will never see each other again. Not in life, not in death. Lucas. As long as I keep this credit in my hands, I can never let Selena have a chance to take it back. Next step is to get her out of this house for good. Master, Miss Sophia is missing.
What?
Sophia, don't waste your energy.
Let me go!
Don't touch her.
Sophia, are you okay?
Lucas, Selena lured me here. She's crazy.
Selena, haven't you been punished enough already?
I didn't. I just got here myself.
Lucas, your wife paid us a lot of money to give Miss Sophia a proper welcome. Didn't expect her to come play the hero herself.
I don't even know you. What are you talking about? Sophia, you set all this up, didn't you? The message was fake on purpose too, wasn't it? Selena, what are you saying? I don't understand. I came to save you. because I got a message that you were in danger. Lucas, I didn't...
It's okay now.
Do you believe her or me?
I don't care. Today you can only take one side. Either you take Sophia and the maid, or you stay here with your wife.
Lucas. Lucas, I'm so scared.
You stay and handle this.
Remember, later, I need you to cooperate with me in acting out a play that has to be realistic enough, understand?
Understand.
After it's done, you can ravish her to your heart's content.
Looks like your husband doesn't want you. Boys, give the rich man's wife a proper welcome.
I don't owe you anything anymore. Lucas?
Young master, something's happened.
Unless it's the end of the world, it can wait until after the wedding.
Mrs. Selina.
What stunt's she pulling now? Tell her tomorrow is my wedding to Sophia. Don't cause me any trouble.
Mrs. Selina jumped to her death! This is the death certificate. The old master brought it back himself. Ridiculous! Jumped! Grandpa, you're in on Selina's act too? You think a fake certificate will make me cancel the wedding?
She jumped from the factory. No body left. Only this ring.
Impossible. Yesterday at the factory, leaving her there was the right call. She can take care of herself. Those losers couldn't hurt her!
Take care of herself.
She's jealous. She's afraid I'll drink the last dose of the antidote that Sophia nearly died to get for me. Once I drink this, I'll be free for good. She'll never control me with the bond again. You bastard! What has Sophia ever done except steal credit? That potion, Selina endured unbearable pain and traded her own life for it. And that bond, she willingly put that curse on herself to protect you.
Selina traded for it?
Who are you to look down on someone who gave you life twice?
And she was carrying your child.
Selina?
Lucas. Goodbye forever.
No, Selina, no!
Save the pity part. You better keep your feelings in check. I told you to protect Sophia. Didn't you do me? And handle this. It's just not like I Why is she in so much pain?
This can't be. I won't let you die. You can't die!